Columns are a great way to organize elements within a block. With the help of columns, you can change the layout and the background of certain block parts without affecting others. Some blocks in the editor already contain columns. You can see that by hovering on different parts of the block. To add a new column, click on the plus sign. You can also duplicate an existing column by clicking on the three dots. To remove unnecessary columns, simply click on delete. Let's add additional elements to the columns now. For that, click on the plus sign that you see in a column. A list of elements will appear, allowing you to select some. As you can see, you can add buttons, lists, forms and many more. By the way, you can move the elements within a single block. Additional column settings are available in the top right corner. This is where you can align the column's content. Navigate to the Background tab to add color or an image as a column background. If you have a few columns, you can move them within a block with a drag and drop. For that, simply pick a column by pressing the icon and move it to the relevant place in the block. Also, you can change the proportions of columns by dragging the handle. See how the content of the neighboring columns adjusts automatically.